Simple maths, double-digit subtraction. Let us learn subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away numbers. Ria has 16 lollies. Mom takes away 13 lollies. How many lollies are left? "16 minus 13 equals." Let us look at the ones. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Now let us look at the tens. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So, 16 minus 13 equals 3. Ria has 3 lollies left. Let us practice subtraction. Ria has 25 cupcakes. Mom takes away 12 cupcakes. How many cupcakes are left? 25 minus 12 equals. Let us look at the ones. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So, 25 minus 12 equals 13. Ria has 13 cupcakes left. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.